Hey Aroha 3, so this afternoon we're going to have a writing session and it's based on the Waharoa. So for our Zoom today we were talking about the Waharoa carving in front of our school and talking about how that shows people about how we got our name, but also why our school is important, and especially the kite, the Manuote. We were supposed to do this for our Zoom, but the time was cut short, and so we're going to do it now. So before we even begin our writing, we are going to look at our words that we've been learning in our classroom, just very briefly, very quick, just to get your brains moving and your minds remembering what our words are. So we have our first word, like. M, mum. A, can. Dead. Here. Is. I. The. Fantastic. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, these are the words that you had mentioned that describe the Waharoa at our school. So for writing today, we're going to be using these words to write a sentence about the Waharoa. Now, the sentence could either say the Waharoa is or the Waharoa has. Are you ready? Okay, so the first word. We know this word, and it's the word that's on our yellow card. What's this word? Yeah, the. T-H-E. The. That's our first word. What goes at the beginning of a sentence, Aroha 3? Yes, a capital letter. So we need to draw a capital T. Let's change our color to black. And let's write the capital T. Tall stick. Across. Excellent. The. T-H-E. The. The what? What are we writing about today? The Waharoa. What letter does the word Waharoa start with? What? W. W. Is there the word Waharoa on our page already, Aroha 3? Yeah? Can you show me? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? It starts with a W. Yes, you're right. But this says white. We need Waharoa. This is the word Waharoa. The Waharoa. Oh, I did a mistake. I need to go back. We need to rub it out. What did I forget to put, Aroha 3? A capital W. The Waharoa. The Waha. That's a bit tricky writing with no paper. The Waharoa is. Do we know the word is? Let's have a look. Is. Oh, yes. Is. The Waharoa is. What do I want to say? The Waharoa is big. Let's write the word big. B. Oh look, big is here. But do we need a capital B when it's in our sentence, or a little b? Yeah, we need a little b. A little b goes like this. Tall stick, tunnel and close. B, igloo, yeah. G, gorilla, you're right. Gorilla. What goes at the end of our sentence, Aroha 3? A full stop. Excellent. Full stop goes at the end of the sentence. Hey, we've just finished our sentence. Let's read it. Let's get the pointer out. Do we have a laser pointer? Yes, we do. The waharua is big. Did you see how I jumped to the words? Let's jump with our words. Ready? The waharua is big. Excellent. Aroha 3, what I would like you to do is, can you write for me a sentence describing the waharua? You might want to say the waharua is, or you might want to challenge yourself. The waharua has. What's a sentence that you can write with the word has in it? If we started, the waharua has. Oh, save it for me. So what I want you to do, I want you to write it down, and when you're finished writing your sentence down, I would like you to take a photo of it and show me on either our Facebook page or our Class Dojo page. Thank you so much for coming today, Aroha 3. I'm so impressed with your learning and also that you're keeping safe and you're staying at home. Alright, have a great day, have a great evening, and I'll see you either when I comment back on your work or tomorrow. See you later.